Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video on how I stone wash. I'm going to be stone washing these pocket pries, and I will do a step-by-step video on how I do it. Step number one is clean. Step number two is clean. Anyway, so sit back and enjoy the video. Thanks. Okay, now I'm going to clean it again using some isopropyl alcohol. Just got to make sure there's no oil from anything, from fingerprints or anything on these bad boys. All right, I use distilled vinegar, right? Now I'm going to go take this in the house, put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes to get it just about boiling. It actually works much better when you get the vinegar hot. As you can see, it starts etching right away. And it's super important that you clean the whatever your steel as good as possible. You want to make sure you get all the oil off of it, or else it won't etch in that spot. That's why I clean it twice. So this will sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so now they have a gray patina on them. So I'm going to take them in house with this piece of 4/0 steel wool. I will run these under the water at the sink, and I will use the steel wool to get all the, there's like, I don't want to call it oxidation, but there's, I don't even know what you call it. I can just show you. It wipes off and it's dark. You see that darker color? So I take steel wool and I burnish it all off, get it all cleaned up and ready for the next step. Okay, there's a few different products you could use. I use either Gun Black by Blue Wonder. It's actually a three-step application. There's a developer and there's a lubricant, and then you could use this here Permablue gun paste, and it's pretty much a one-step, and then you use 4/0 steel wool to kind of smooth it off, burnish it off, and reapply, and do that over and over and over again. Anyway, for this one I'm going to use the Gun Black. Now you could put as many coats of this on there as you want. It'll keep getting darker and darker. But that's all your choice. Oh, and this is what we started with. You could tell it definitely got darker. So once you reach the darkness that you want, I just make sure it's dry. Then they have the developer. I wipe off some of the excess. It's still wet, and then I'll just sit this for 24 hours, let it cure, and then I'll be on to the next step. All right, so it's been acid etched, it's been blued, it's sat over at night 24 hours. Now I'm going to tumble it. They're actually coated with oil. All right, so there's my tumbler.